Who? What? Where? When? Why? Which? Whose? How? These are known as WH questions. These words allow us to gather specific information. Unlike yes or no questions, they encourage more detailed responses. For example, when we ask, "Who is your favourite author?" we expect a name, not just a simple yes or no. Here's a quick overview of each. Who? Who is used to ask about a person or people. It helps us identify someone by their name, role, or relationship to others. What? What is used to ask for information about things, actions, or concepts. It is one of the most versatile WH question words because it can refer to a wide range of subjects. Where? Where is used to ask about the place or position of someone or something. When? When is used to ask at what time something happened or will happen. Why? Why is used to ask for a reason or explanation. Which? Which is used to ask about specific choices or options. Whose? Whose is used to ask about possession or ownership. It helps us find out who something belongs to. How? How is used to ask about the manner, method, or condition of something. It helps us understand the way in which something happens or the process involved. Each of these question words helps us gather specific details. What is used to ask about things, where helps us ask about places, and so on. Now that we know the meaning, let's see how we can use them in sentences. In this part, we'll learn how to use these WH questions to form sentences. Here's a simple structure to remember. WH word plus auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb. Some WH questions can act as the subject of a sentence. When this happens, don't use an auxiliary verb like do, does, or did. These question words replace the subject of the sentence and are followed directly by the verb. When the main verb in the question is a form of to be, like is, are, was, or were, you also don't need to use an auxiliary verb. The WH question word is followed directly by the verb to be. Who called you last night? Or, who did you call? What do you want to eat? Or, what caused the noise? Where is the nearest coffee shop? When did you arrive? Why are you late? Which is mine? Whose car is parked outside? How did you solve this problem? That's it for today's lesson on WH question words. Keep practicing and don't forget to use them in your daily conversations. See you in the next video.